Do you want to become better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 release, Everyday Excellence. February 24th. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Malcolm Forbes. One of the problems with education in the US is that we aren't teaching people to think. Becoming a scientist is about becoming systematically curious, documenting what you've done and how you did it, and then opening your process to scrutiny and question. This is how science advances. Yet, why were we told trust the science, which is the exact opposite of how science works? Ask questions, be ready to be wrong, and you'll learn to become excellent. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.